Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing the ruined plug and exposing the conductors. This saves time and prevents shorts. Once done, strip about 1/2 of the jacket so you can see all 8 wires clearly. Make sure not to nick the copper insulation, that weakens the cable. Untwist the pairs only as far as necessary to arrange them. Less untwist preserves signal integrity. Now align the wires to the correct color order so insertion into the new connector is clean and precise. You now flatten the untwisted wires between thumb and forefinger and trim them evenly to about 0.5, so they fit straight into the connector. Once aligned in the right color sequence, push the bundle fully into the RJ45 until you feel the cable jacket meet the plug's strain relief. This gives mechanical support. Use a proper crimper and squeeze firmly until you hear or feel a sure click. That compresses the contacts. Afterward, tug gently to verify the cable is seated, and you finish by testing the cable. A simple cable tester or plugging into a working port will show if every pair makes contact. If a pair fails, first check the pin order and look for a cut or nicked conductor. Those cause intermittent faults. Once identified, reseat the wires and try crimping again, because improperly seated contacts often don't pierce insulation cleanly. If problems persist, replace the connector. A fresh plug fixes bent pins or faulty housings, and then retest to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.